Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel. Here we go, new Quince season and new recipes with Quince. So today I had prepared for you a recipe of quince and beef stew. You want it? Let's start cooking. First we need half a liter of vegetable broth. Therefore we clean and cut a couple of carrots. Put them in a saucepan. Clean and finely chop the onion. Add a bunch of parsley, a couple of bay leaves, a dozen black peppercorns to them. Pour a liter of water and bring to a boil. Then reduce and cook for 1 hour. We'll also add a cinnamon stick and a dozen cloves to our dish. They can be wrapped in a piece of muslin and tied to make it easier to remove it at the end. Clean a kilogram of beef or veal suitable for stewing from sinew, bones and cartilage if any, and cut into 1 cm cubes. Finally, slice 1 red onion in half rings. Season the meat with salt and pepper. Heat a large frying pan or pot on the stove. Add vegetable oil for frying. Fry beef until light brown. Then add red onion. Fry for another minute. Pour in half a liter of vegetable broth and 800 grams of tomato puree. Stir well. Add our prepared spices. Bring to a quick boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cover with a lid. While the meat is slowly cooking, let's take a quince, cut it into 4 parts. Remove the core. And cut it in half again into thin slices. When the meat is sweated for half an hour and becomes softer, add quince. Stir, cover and simmer until both meat and quince are soft. After that, season lightly with sugar, emphasizing the taste of tomatoes and quince, salt and pepper. Now we can remove our bag of spices. And this delicious dish is ready. It's time to plate. And as a side dish I prefer rice. You can watch my video on how to cook it easy and to the point using the link in the upper right corner. Let's spread the rice on a plate. Put tender beef, fruits, tomato sauce on top. Decorate with herbs for aroma and freshness. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this recipe a like if you feel so, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye bye!